Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I did film a tutorial on the look that I am wearing right here. I did want to do more of a spring look, something more light, nothing that has too much heavy eyeliner like I usually wear, just something nice, soft, and glowy. So that is what I did for you guys today. Also, I wanted to match my new nails. So if you guys do want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Alright, so as always, filled in my brows, and then this time I just primed my eyelids and set them just because it was easier, so I had to skip that step. One of the palettes I'm going to be using is the Norvina palette from Anastasia, and then the other palette I'm going to be using is the MAC and Patrick Star Collection eyeshadows as well. I should probably open it so you guys can see what it looks like. So got some pretty purples in there, so I'm going to go ahead and use both. So I'm actually going to be going in with this purple shade right here. That's just going to be my crease slash transition color that I'm going to be going back in with. Now that I laid that color, I'm going to go in with Soul from the Anastasia Norvina palette and buff that into the crease as well. Okay, because why not? I'm gonna go in with this color just to deepen up the crease a little bit more. By the way, if you guys see me talk like this a lot in my video, I just got my nails done, and for any girl who gets her nails done, she knows. You have a whole last conversation like this for no reason. Whatever you're talking about, just I'm gonna go ahead and get fancy with it, because why not? I'm actually gonna go ahead and do a little cut crease. Obviously you guys will be able to see that on camera. The brush I'm gonna be going in with is just like a little tiny, I hate when people do this, but a little tiny like brush, if you can see it. That way when you get the concealer on it, I kind of just like to wipe it so that way the brush gets as thin as possible to really be able to carve that out so it doesn't skip or anything like that. Before I go in and fill in the lid, I'm gonna go back in with the shades that I used all up in the crease and kind of dilute this sharp line. That way, gotta go in here because that's not cute. Now I'm gonna go in with my lid shades. Struggle is real, y'all. Next step, I'm gonna go ahead and add some Stila glitter on top of that. The color I'm gonna be using is Ballet Baby. Personally, it's like one of my all-time favorites to like glitter to put on top of any eyeshadow. So we gonna do that. And then once I do that, I'm actually gonna finish the other eye off camera so I'm not struggling for you guys, because I'm pretty sure that was just sad to watch. So I'm gonna go ahead, apply this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. So I went ahead and finished both eyes. Looking at the camera now, I don't know if it's gonna pick up how pigmented it is, so if it does not pick up throughout this video, I am sorry in advance. But if you recreate it on yourself, then you'll see what I mean. Now I'm just gonna go in with mascara and prep my eyelashes for falsies, and then I'm going to go ahead and put some falsies on. Falsies I'm going to be going in with today are the Dodo lashes in the style D326. Wow. All of their lashes are $12 each, which is not bad, and you can reuse them up to 30 times or more. And I will say though, the only thing with these guys is they do take a while to ship, but other than that, amazing lashes, love them. So I'm gonna go and prep then these guys. So got my lashes on. She's cute. She ready. Gonna go on with foundation. Gonna be using the same foundation I did on my last video, which was the Tarte Face Tape Foundation. Should probably pull it out so you guys can see what it looks like. If any of you have not tried it yet, I do really love this foundation. It does have a nice soft matte finish. I don't know if I mentioned that in the last video. The only reason during the day that it does look a little bit dewy on me is because the concealer I'm using on top of that is the Maracuja concealer, or the Creases concealer, whatever they renamed it. And that one has obviously Maracuja oil in it, so it's gonna leave your skin being a little bit more dewier, a little bit more hydrating. But if you wore more of like a mattifying concealer on top, you would not have that problem at all. Before I actually do that, I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Hangover spray. You can use this to prep or set, but I'm just gonna use it to prep and then go in with my foundation. I think that's enough. As usual, just gonna be taking my Sigma F80, I believe. Still can't fucking remember the name of it, but the F80 brush, and just buffing that all over my face until you can no longer see my face. Alright, foundation is on. Gonna go in, as I was saying, with my Creases Maracuja concealer. Putting that where she needs the extra help. Sorry, didn't even mention what I'm doing. Going in with my cream contour. You've seen this all in my last video, so, but it's just repetition. Going in with my LA Girl concealer to contour my face, because I look like a damn fucking moon. You know, pull up that moon emoji, the one with the faces like, that's what I fucking look like without contour. And of course, going in with my Lancome translucent powder, because that's my brand and I love them and they make good shit. Alright, gonna go in with more of my bronzer, butter bronzer, and just keep putting it on, just layering it on, man. bronzer done. I'm gonna go in with blush. Look at how cute this this little guy is. Benefit, I think it was during Christmas time, they came out with like all their like most popular blushes and bronzers, like little mini kit. So I got one. So I'm gonna be using their Rocketeer blush. And yes. So my favorite part, highlighter. Instead of using my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter, which I always do, I'm actually going to use the Glow Kit, the Sweets one, just because it's purple and it goes with the aesthetic of this video. Alright, so per usual, gonna go in with my Fake Awake from Tarte. That's just gonna go on the inner part of my eye to open up my eye, make it look a little bit brighter. And then I'm gonna go in underneath my lash line with my transition shade that I use and the other color that I put in the crease just to kind of even it out top and the bottom. And then I'm gonna go in with some mascara. Yeah. Alright, so as per usual, pretty much the entire look is finished. Gonna go draw my lips on off camera, and then I'll be back with the completed look. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I'll bring you guys in a little bit closer, just so you can really see everything. Oh hi, here's my big ass face. I hope you guys did bear with me and enjoyed this video. Sorry again if the camera didn't pick up everything I was hoping it to pick up. I know right now I don't have the greatest lighting and greatest backdrop, but I am in the process of some transition, so hopefully we'll be back where I should be filming and not sitting in my bathroom. But yes, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye! I wanna like look back on these videos like years from now after filming them and be like, this is why you had no fucking friends. Why does my voice sound like that? Like I already talk like a man, but it's just like, hey, how are you? No. I ain't got no fucking titties anyway, so. Cause I go in, sis. Okay. I'm a mess over here. I'm like, here's all my stuff. Get it, girl. I'm a mess over here. 2, 4, 5. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm a hot mess. Sorry. Boom. Blended. Science. Drops mic.